Good morning, everyone. I feel like I've been starting so many vlogs from sitting here. I'm so happy to be back vlogging with you guys. I was gone this weekend, didn't vlog, and then didn't vlog yesterday. I was trying to get things in order. It was quite the day. And then here I am. It is 11 a.m. My mom was actually here and she left this morning, and then, woo, what's up? Guys, my plant is dead, which is embarrassing seeing as how I just became a gardener this past week, so I don't know what's up with that. I don't know, I might go back to Lowe's today. So anyways, welcome back to another vlog. I'm really excited to have you guys. Love vlogging. I don't know why I'm acting like I've never vlogged before, but anyways, today is Tuesday. I'm recording with the, oh, you know what? I need to go get a booch pop because I'm recording with the founder of Health Aid, which I'm really excited for. That's like my favorite kombucha. And then after that, I'm getting lunch with my cousin, and then I need to edit a vlog, and I need to really go through my school stuff because I don't trust my advisors. I'm gonna make a to-do list right now to do. I always do this in my notes, and I do the check off box because it's great. Go through school stuff, edit vlog, go to Lowe's because I deserve it. I need to get a few more plants. It's really hot here. I need to go downstairs and get a drink, but subscribe if you guys are new here. I wanted to talk to you guys about something, and I know this is very like controversial and people get really angry, even though a lot of people are already doing it, so maybe it's like more in my head, but there is like quite the emergency, like horrible things that I need to get back to LA for, specifically outside of LA, but I would fly to LA, and I've talked to like Dom and Taylor, and I can just stay with them, and they're being like so nice and like really accommodating, and obviously I would like still be really safe and stuff. I know that flying and like this isn't like a leisure travel, like I will be there staying for a few days just to be there with, you know, Dom or Taylor or whatever, but it isn't just like a leisure travel. And even at that, like I know people are doing so and they're doing so safely and blah blah blah. I don't want to be killed on the internet. I also don't feel like I need to, like, it's not my story to tell as to like why I need to go, and it's just like a private thing. So let me know what you guys think. It's Tuesday now. I'm thinking about flying out Monday morning and just staying there, and I would just basically be doing the same thing I'm doing now, like being very respectful, following all the guidelines, mask, all that stuff, testing, all that stuff as well. Obviously it's not ideal, trust me, the situation is not ideal. If it wasn't really important, I wouldn't just be making a trip to LA, but I really need to go. So anyways, I'm a little bit stressed, and by a little bit I mean like I'm really stressed about that. And it's just a lot, I don't know, there's just a lot happening in life right now. A lot of it that you would like think would be bad, I'm actually glad about, but like other things that are like way heavier, I'm like, okay, this is just like really overwhelming. I know a lot of you guys are probably feeling the same way, especially in 2020, but I love you guys. We will all get through it together. It will be okay. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Subscribe if you guys are new here. Let me know what you guys have done with dealing with like kind of like family emergency type things during COVID and whatever, especially like now when I see people traveling online. I see people traveling online literally 24/7, and it's really weird to me. Like some people on the internet are like canceled and attacked and whatever, and then there's other people who have been like clubbing this entire time that have never gotten in trouble. I'm like, I'm not the one who's gonna be like cancel anyone, but I'm just like confused as to like why certain people are getting attacked and certain people aren't. And also like just being in the position that I'm in right now, it's like you really never know what people are going through, and you never know what's happening and why they have to do certain things and stuff. So it's like, I think I always lean more towards the side of grace, but yeah, I don't know. Just like, I don't know, guys. I'm ranting. I know even talking about this, I could be like in so much trouble. Trust me, guys, it's not what I want to be doing. So anyways, that was quite the intro. I think it's just because I haven't vlogged, but I need to record my podcast in like 40 minutes, so I'm gonna prep for that. I got ready today. Oh guys, this is exciting. So I got new makeup brushes. I got the Jaclyn Hill makeup brush set, and I wanted to technically unbox this for you guys in the vlog, so I haven't opened them yet. It looks like I'm wearing a lot more makeup than I'm wearing too, so I could have used these brushes, I guess, but this set, my sister, who's like really good at makeup, told me to get, and they're Morphe brushes, so that's exciting. I need a brush holder. I wish that it came with a brush holder. What do I even use? All right, I just finished recording with the CEO of Health Aid, which that episode will be up this week. It's gonna be really good. I'm about to send it to my editor, but this is what I'm wearing. These are actually outdoor voices, and this is Aritzia. They're not actually matching. It's fine. My cousin's on her way. We're about to go to, we're literally going to La La Land for lunch, which is like not a lunch place, but it's okay. Seeing our dog, thank you. Thanks, you too. Thank you. I got the iced strawberry fields, as you know. Alyssa.
Milk vanilla latte.
Always. We're very classic here. All right, guys, I have a lot of things to show you. I'm back home, I'm about to unbox some stuff. Guys, I am so tired. I think it's actually kind of hot out today, and it's been like the perfect fall weather lately, so that's like not ideal. Oh my gosh, okay. Walked up the stairs, townhouse problems. Okay, so I have a few things I want to show you. I'm really excited. I don't know if you guys will be excited because the first thing is cleaning supplies, but this is a cleaner way to clean Infuse. So they sent me, well, they gave me credit. I picked this stuff out, but I'm really excited to try it out. I have all these different little towels, glass and window, bathroom, all purpose. This is eucalyptus. It's cool because these are just like water bottles that you can reuse, and it's water. I was supposed to not fill up as high as I did, but you know, you live, you learn. And then there's these like little Infuse tools right here, or not tools, little, whatever, the tube that you insert. It's more sustainable, and apparently it's like a way cleaner brand. They're available at Target. I'll link it down below. As far as cleaning supplies goes, I barely use them, and I think they're like my new go-to from what I've done. I really like their stuff so far. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna mop the floor, so we'll get to this. Dyson sent me a new Dyson vacuum, the V8 Animal, what I had before, but I like messed mine up of some sort, but it's fine now. But like, now I have a new one, so we're good. Best vacuum in the entire world. It's cordless. I'm literally obsessed. Thank you so much, Dyson. You guys are the best. And they also sent me their new accessories for the Dyson Airwrap. So this is the 1.6 inch. This is the 1.2 inch. So they just have new stuff for the Airwrap, which is exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay. There's a mop, which I'll get on in a second. Bond and Seek sent me something from their set. Thank you. This is so cute. I will probably wear this tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Guys, the quality of this is so good. Like, what did they make these on? Oh my gosh. Like, this is like the best quality of sweats that I think I've ever felt. Wow. Okay, I got a size medium, a small medium for pants. They're so cute. And then this is the crew that matches. Love, I think it's super fun. Guys, like, so much stuff. Thank you so much. I love collagen. These, oh my gosh, wait, they sent ankle weights. Oh my gosh, that is so nice of them. 2.5 pound ankle weights. Okay, that's tough. The protein bars. We got another protein bar. Here's my other, tone it up. Wow, this is great. And all of these protein powders. So if you guys have ever used these, let me know how you like them and how you have them. Here's a vitamin C beauty boost. Wow, oh my gosh, thank you.
The new snack plate, I'm sorry. It's a new snack plate delivery service, and it's available in a bunch of things at dinner, and I'm going in.
For some reason, it's actually hot out today, and it has not been hot. Sorry, this is in front. It has not been hot at all. So I'm gonna get some water, not make some water, whatever, you guys get it. And go upstairs and work on the roof, and then I think I'm actually gonna edit up there. La La Land was good. Alyssa just dropped me off, and she's coming back at 5 after work, which is like a little bit over 2 hours. So I'm gonna get some stuff done on the rooftop, and then we're going to enjoy it. I don't think I'm gonna go to Lowe's today just because it's like actually hot outside, and I wanna go to Lowe's when it feels like it's fall. All right, guys, here is the before from the rooftop today. We're gonna be doing lots of work on it. This is kind of like a rooftop vlog, if you will. Just washed my face. It is so bright out here. I like lathered it with sunscreen that's not even blended into my skin. Like, look at this, guys. About to get started on the rugs. Guys, this is, okay, well, the umbrella has now moved, but I've had this whole work station for the past few hours, and it's been really nice. I got a video edited, I'm uploading it. I need to go charge my laptop. I think I am gonna make a run to Redenta's. My cousin is coming in like 30 minutes, but part of me is like, I might as well just like go and we'll see. I don't know. I don't know. I just like want to pick up a plant because like these two over here, I need to clean up this mess. but I need one in this corner. I need to move this back, and then I just want a few more plants. So like, we'll see. This looks so bad and it really bothers me, so I need to figure that out. So I've decided I'm gonna run up to Redenta's. I almost said Alyssa. Alexis is my stepsister. Alyssa's coming over in 30 minutes now, and so I just wanted to run up. It's pretty close to the plant store. It's like not as far of a drive as Lowe's is, and see what I can get just for now. I also got 2 new pairs of shoes today on Nordstrom that were like on sale, so I'm feeling good about that. I'll show you guys that when it comes. But anyways, I'm listening to Lynn and Stella. I need a chapstick always. I feel like my lips have been like extra chapped lately. I love the Sunbum chapsticks actually. Game over. Here we are, guys. It is so peaceful. We have Redenta's. We love. Alright guys, so I got 2 boxwoods, which I think at least one of them will go on the roof. I'm not sure about the other. And then another flower pot. I like that one a lot. Alright guys, sorry for the harsh lighting, but that was kind of a fail because their system is down, so I couldn't check out anyways. So I have to come back in the morning, but they're holding things for me, which is fine. So I'm going back home. I need to eat. I just had like a protein bar. Alyssa's coming over. I might actually shower. Alyssa's coming over and we're gonna like order dinner and stuff. We're also like really wanna do like some sort of Christmassy trip. Oh my gosh, it's so bright, but like obviously. And so we're trying to like figure something out that we have on our calendar to look forward to. So that's what we're brainstorming tonight. I found the perfect print for my frame TV. It looks way more yellow on camera. It's not this warm tone, but absolute perfect print for my room. And this one was free. So update on the frame TV, I'm actually really loving it. Someone wants attention. You always want attention, huh? Hi. Have you played with your brother? Are you gonna go play with your brother? All right guys, I just came home and showered really quickly. Alyssa and I decided we were gonna go eat what? I got lip gloss all over my face. Alyssa and I decided we're gonna go eat at HG Supply, which is like one of our favorite restaurants. They have a big rooftop. It is like the best restaurant ever. I'm dressed like, I don't even know. I mean, like, I just threw these clothes on. I need to do laundry really bad. Princess Polly, XLE. These are Rothy's, but it's actually pretty warm outside. I feel like it might get colder.
I ordered the carrot hummus.
Okay, so we got the carrot hummus. Like, you got a cucumber smash, I got a strawberry smash. I don't know, we're at HG Supply now. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna get a salmon bowl or a sandwich or something. I actually haven't eaten that much today. But I ate a bar. I'm like eating at weird times, so like I feel like I'm gonna ruin the next meal, and then I like try to, and then I just, you know.
It's really just, I feel like I just know myself.
I feel like I'll regret not getting a bowl.
I just always feel
You have to. Okay, strawberry smash, and then this is my carrot hummus that I am like obsessed with. It's so good. Guys, okay, we've been sitting there. It is so beautiful.
so nice out.
Taylor Swift's playing, but yeah, we decided we ordered our bowls and then we were like full, so we're just gonna go back to my place. So we boxed them, and Alyssa just wasn't doing a good job, so I told her that I'll box it for her. Just like wasn't like literally was doing a horrible job. Like,
The salmon was about on the floor.
no, the salmon was almost on the ground.
okay.
Like, yeah, it was pretty bad.
And we paid a pretty penny.
Pretty penny for this, guys.
It's just a really big issue, honestly.
Cute. It is so beautiful up here. Like, oh my gosh, it's literally a dream. I'm gonna go tomorrow at Lowe's. I'm gonna buy the rest of these. Some of them are out, so it's not a big deal.
Well, no, the thing is
Oh, it's really tight. You just have to like push. It's kind of annoying. My mom did it, not me. Don't blame me, you know?
you know.
Wow. That is an absolute dream.
Is that good for now?
Yeah. I need to move the speaker.
Oh.
Wow. Like, please tell me.
Obsessed.
Wow. This will be every single night too. Like when Dom is here especially. And
Every night.
we just, every night. We have our pod. That's it. Wow.
It's just perfect out here.
Perfect. I have my recess drink. These are like the best CBD drinks ever. They're so good. They like really relax you. Actually, you really should try one. You should maybe take one home.
Okay.
Because it helps a lot with our anxiety, especially
It
like
does?
midday. We have the exact same anxiety. It's
actually
really good.
crazy.
You know, like midday when you have like
Yes.
really bad anxiety.
Yeah.
Especially
This
when you're like
helps?
by yourself working from home.
Yeah.
This helps me a lot. It gets me out of that slump. Do you want to try it first?
Yeah. Wait, and they have all these different flavors?
I like the flavor. I mean, some of it tastes kind of weird, but like I don't really drink it for the flavor. I drink it for, you know what I mean?
Actually, it tastes pretty good. It's not bad.
Yeah, I don't mind it. But
Wait, and so they have different flavors?
yes, I think I have a discount code. I'll like link
Okay.
below if I do, but I'll show it to you. But
Like at Trader Joe's, right? Or something?
I don't think so.
Or
Like
is
Whole
it
Foods or something.
Whole Foods, okay.
Coco really thrives on the
like-
rooftop. Coco is the happiest
Up here.
up here. Yes.
Like, you don't even hear from her.
No, she and I
Like-
will.
Like, sometimes I feel like I lose her up here because she's just, like, having a great time.
Oh yeah. No, she just does her own thing. I think she has places to go, people to see. You know what I mean?
This
Busy gal.
is just, like, I don't think I can get over
I'll
it.
never get over it. Do you think I should get a rug under here? I kind of like there's no rug here.
No.
I think it's fine without the rugs.
I'd say, yeah.
Okay, so like here's my vision. Giving everyone a vision. So I got 2 boxwoods at the store today that I'm gonna pick up in the morning because I couldn't check out or whatever. So I have, but one of them will go here.
Okay.
The other one might just go on like one of my balconies or outside or something like that.
Plenty of places.
I guess I don't really need to get it, but I will.
But I was like, but you're...
I might as well.
Yeah.
Okay. So like I want more flowers too. Did you see my flower pot over there? That's so cute.
I mean,
It's beautiful. Yeah, if you're ever wondering what to get me for any holiday season,
Is it-
gardening things
I was gonna say, I
think
feel like-
would be my vibe.
like, we've...
Or cooking. I could always do aprons. I need to do aprons. I need to like come
Yes.
out with aprons that say breadwinning housewife on them. I found
We found a
other
new
stuff.
business idea.
Guys, I have really great business ideas, but I need this guy to respond to me.
Also, can we please just say that we have to do a very holly dolly Christmas party?
I'm so glad you said it
I
because I
think-
was already thinking it. So yeah, we have to do that. I was thinking that too when I was texting Mark today because we always do like Christmas parties together. Like, well, it's not even a party. It's never a party. It's really 8 people anyways.
Yeah.
But
Small
we'll have it here, and I will
Like-
get a Christmas tree for here for the party. I will figure it out. Like it will happen, and we will have
I
hot
just-
chocolate, and we will have yes.
It has to happen.
It has to happen. We need to look at. You know what? I can get my iPad downstairs and
Yes.
we'll plan our Christmas thing. Okay, so anyways,
There's a lot going on.
There's a lot going on, guys. We're very busy.
We're very busy. And speaking of busy, we have to be busier because
Yes.
we don't like to not have things on the calendar. It's
Yes.
just, it's not good.
No,
It's not a good
we
look for
need
us.
things on the calendar. Google Cal
It-
shared.
yeah,
Exactly.
yeah,
like
it's
it's
just-
it's not a good look.
It's not a good look.
Not a good look. We are cousins, by the way, in
Yeah.
case you're wondering why we're the exact same.
Why we're talking the exact same.
In our
Yeah.
social life consists of our family.
Yeah.
This is like so out of focus, I think. But okay, I'm trying to follow up on breadwinning stuff. Okay, just wanted to follow up on this to see there
Coco,
was
I love you.
still interest.
She's living her best life.
No, she's like the
Literally doesn't care about
happiest.
anything else.
She's the happiest she's ever been. So we're actually about to listen to Holly Dolly Christmas for the first time. It is October 6th. We need joy in 2020. It's seriously been the worst year ever.
Of everyone's lives.
I know that Miley Cyrus is on one of them. Okay, I'm gonna look.
That makes me...
Do you think all my neighbors are gonna hate me? Probably.
Maybe.
Oh, this one with Miley Cyrus. There's one with Michael Bublé.
I know.
Jimmy Fallon?
Yeah.
Billy Ray?
Yeah.
Willie Nelson?
I know. That's what I'm saying.
This is the best day of my whole life.
Is this not amazing?
Hi, Fitz. Hi, Fitz. Hi, Fitzy boy. Hi, Fitzy boy. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at him, guys. He's so big. He always does this. He has to. Oh, whoa. Dude. I just showered. I'm in my favorite kind pajamas. They're so cute. And Fitz is just waiting for me. He's so cute. I have my room set up. I have a candle burning. This is how cute my TV looks. I'm gonna play. I actually might start watching that new Emily in Paris show or something. The dogs are really hyper. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I am trying to post more frequently like I was posting before. I know the past week I only posted like 2 videos and I was posting like every day before. So let me know what you guys want to see. Love you guys so much and I'll see you soon. Bye.